they make there's these little vices that you put on like between the counters. You take all your doors off, and then you got these clamps that go here. So when you go to put the screws through, I'll probably put it on this side. So you put the clamps in.
Yeah.
And it's got an adjustment on the front to level the faces.
Yeah.
And you pull them together. It's got a hole in the side of the clamp. You shoot your drill, move this guide out of the way, put the screw in, take the clamp off, you're done.
Wow. Easy.
So I had all these things assembled in units sitting here, and I had that guy come up, you put the laser level out, put the ledger boards in. Had that guy come in and we set them up on the ledger board.
Yes.
Hook them to the wall, you're done.
Yes. Now, how long did it take you to actually do the kitchen itself?
About 8 hours, right?
Well,
He came here Sunday night.
a couple days. It took 2 days.
But it's not full time. I mean, he came here at
Well,
night.
I spent all day on Saturday in here assembling everything, and then we hung everything on Sunday.
Yeah.
So
That's smart. So you was proactive. So would you say every day you had a plan on what you were going to do? Or you guys knew, okay, month 1, this is what we're doing. Month 2, how did you guys do your planning?
yeah, no, not well.
No, okay.
Not well, because there was.
That's honest.
It took 3 weeks to get the jungle out of the backyard.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
That wasn't even anywhere involved in the plan.
That was painful. The pulling all the roots, long roots.
That
you know?
that just turned into a thing.
Yeah, it was horrible.
You know, the bathrooms took me. We had an estimate come in at $25,000 to put 2 new tubs in, not including the flooring and all the other stuff.
Get out of here.
I'm like, dang, that's my whole budget.
Right.
So
Right.
you know, it probably cost us maybe $3,000 per bathroom.
And it looks like that.
Yeah.
But that's with us doing all the work.
Yeah.
Me and him doing the work, so
You know, and that's
That's good though. That's really good.
I wouldn't want to do it again.
said a lot of it's just. Like she brought up, a lot of the stuff was you're gonna do it, and then you're gonna figure out you did something wrong, and you got to go backwards
Yeah.
and do it again. The putting the drain pans in there took me forever,
Right.
just because.
Right. So how important would you say it is to watch a video or look at what you're doing first before actually installing?
Oh, absolutely. Unless you've done it before, you'll have no idea where you start.
Yeah.
You got to
Yeah.
watch, and you want to watch several videos because some of them time lapse through things, and you'll find like the bathroom, the shower kits we bought. They're 2 or 3 pieces, you know, the surrounds and the tub, and the videos are fine, but they're best case because they've got a room set up that they framed here,
Yes.
you know, for the video.
Right. Correct.
So all the studs are in the right places, the plumbing's
Everything's
everything's
already-
already
They
in
make
the
it look
right
easy.
places.
Make it look easy.
And then when you get in there, you're like,
No.
mine doesn't look like that.
Yeah.
You have
I
to
gotta-
have a lot of patience to
Yeah.
do it over and over again. You put it and
Yeah.
you put you put it in place and then you take it out again because it doesn't fit right. And
Yes.
so I mean I don't know how many times we took it off.
A few.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have a lot.
Yeah.
You have to have a lot of patience.
You know, in the videos on the internet sites, they show us, oh, hey, to drop this in, do this, and it's like, yeah, that's going to take
No.
like half a dozen times.
Yeah.
No.
So would you say HGTV is real?
Which one?
Would you say HGTV is real?
Oh,
No.
The home flipping networks, they're not real.
No.
they don't account for anything.
No.
It's like those glass doors.
Yes.
We had to special order them. They finally came in.
Yes.
I got over there. There was the box sitting there at customer service that was just, the box was shredded.
Wow.
And the lady at customer service was like, I wouldn't accept that. I'm like, well, I'm not going to accept that. It looked like the carrier threw it off the truck
Just
on the way by.
yeah.
I'm like, these are 2 giant glass panels.
There's
No,
telling
let's
what they look
let's
like
cancel
inside.
the order and reorder.
Yes.
So
Yeah. You're right. You're right.
so then you back that up another 2 weeks.
Yeah.
What
know.
was that order that you got, and then something is missing?
Oh, there's
Because people get stuff and then they take what they
oh
need.
that
and
was
then
actually
return it
one of the
back.
surrounds. They had taken, somebody had bought one of the boxes and stripped the gasket out of it
Wow.
and took it back.
Yeah, and
So
return it
I
back.
went to the store. I'm like, hey, what about this? And I was like, well, yeah, we don't have that kind of gasket. You can just open one of the boxes and grab what you need. I'm like, that doesn't solve it. That just pushes the problem to
Yeah.
the next
Right.
guy.
Yeah. Right.
So I got a hold of Kohler, and they sent out the we'll do a one-time replacement. So they sent me the new gasket. But
Wow.
but yeah,
still.
everything just takes longer and costs more than you think it's going to.
Yeah.
So anyone who wants to flip houses and you do it yourself takes a lot of patience,
Yeah.
a lot of hard work.
Yes.
And because you don't know what you're going to get into.
Yeah.
You know, once you get it out, you rip out the floor and you find out there's a crack, or it's not level, or it's some other nonsense going
And
on.
this is the best house that we saw on all the houses that
Yeah, we
went
thought
to
this
look
was
at.
going to be an easy one.
So
Yeah. We looked at a lot of houses.
yes,
We looked at a
yes,
lot of
and
houses.
this is the best one. So
And if I was
with that being said, I mean the work is still,
and if I was that much off on my estimates on a simple house,
Just imagine one of those other houses.
one of those other houses
One of the bigger houses we were looking at.
that I knew was going to be
Yeah.
$100,000 worth of renovations, I was like, oh, that might have been 200,000.
Right. A little bit more money.
Yes.
But you know what? You bought the perfect house in the right market. You bought it at the right time. The deal. I mean, there were so many deals, but you bought the right deal for